Alright, good morning. So I thought I'd start the video a little earlier today. Just kind of go over a few things before we get into the trading day where I'm kind of forced to be locked in. These Windows notifications are killing me. What are some things I wanted to talk about this morning? Let's pull up my oops. Docs. Up next. Okay, so first off, my inconsistencies in trying to upload a video every day. I gotta lock in my sleep. My God, my sleep schedule. There's the words. Because I keep getting 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and when I do that too many days in a row, I wake up one day and I just can't do it. That day was yesterday, and I just couldn't do it. So yeah, I woke up at 20 to 5, and I got up, I turned my alarm off, and then I went right back to bed. I was so tired, and I should have just gotten up, but I got a few extra hours of sleep, and I figured that would benefit me for the rest of the week. And on top of everything, yesterday's news was fucked up. And luckily for me, yesterday's price action was horrible. Horrible. What is this? I think I saw a couple people take a trade off that. Good for you, man. Honestly, good for you. There's probably some entry that I could have hit in here, but you know what? That's not even that fucked up, to be honest with you. It's just choppy. Oh well. Better than this, to be completely honest with you. This is fucked. Oh boy, that was a bad trading day. Real bad. Anyways, the point of me starting my recording early. I need to start working on the Discord server more. I don't know. Yeah, I have discussed that and posted the videos that include that. Anyways, I need to work on the Discord server. I need to get it up and running. I've got roles made, and I'm gonna start adding bots so we can automate roles kind of by levels of where you're at in trading. So yeah, and I've done a little bit of outreach. I've got a few buddies on board that'll hopefully pull through. What else? Oh, I need to get a TikTok account started for my trading channel, and I need to work on my Instagram account a little more. I've got my kind of overall how I want to look my page ideas, I should say. And I need to start adding more detail to my YouTube videos that I upload. I've been quite honestly copy and pasting the description of my videos daily. I just upload a new video, copy paste. Not a good idea. It's just not getting me anywhere. So I need to either start making descriptions in advance, which is probably a horrible idea. I'd rather make them kind of personalized to the video. Just so many peak videos right now. Sorry. Lock back in. Crap. Oh, right. Yeah, I need to start making proper recaps in the afternoons. Like, I love to say that I will, and I say that almost every video. Oh yeah, I'll try and do a little recap this morning. I'm a fucking chud. Pardon my language. Like, I need to start doing that actually. So, I'm refusing to upload this video. Afternoon me. Fuck you. Do what you're supposed to do. Because otherwise, why am I up this early? And I need to figure out a way to increase my Jesus, sorry. My video quality, because to be quite frank with you, it looks like shit. So I don't know if that's something I can like fix right now or what, but I need to work on it for sure. I'm just trying to see if there's any settings for that. Settings. Output. Do I need to turn my bit rate up? Video encoder. Yeah, this is all stuff I'll play with later, for sure. Yeah, I will work on all this later for sure. Output. Yeah. Because that's all like bare minimum video quality stuff. So I will work on that. And as much as I, like playing video games and socializing with all my buddies on video games, it's gotta stop. Like, it's gotta stop. So I'm probably gonna be honestly just getting Duolingo or some other language learning apps for end of day things. Brings me further and further away from doom scrolling and wasting my time, because I know someday I would like to go to French Polynesia, and I need to know French if I'm going to go there. So I'd like to finish learning Spanish, because I was doing it for 4 years in middle school, so I can be fluent in making sentences. Apparently I need to work on my English. That, for example, saying and and I need to stop that. So whether that means I need to slow my speaking down, or whether that means I need to practice my speaking more, I will work on that. That's going to be one of my goals for today, is prevent the uhs and ums. I need to consciously think about it. So, anything else? Yeah. If I am to play video games, it's only after everything is done. Like, everything for my day. I've edited and I've posted my video. I've worked on my Discord server for bare minimum an hour. And it's hard to fit all the stuff into one day, because at the same time I have school and I have work. And I work most weeks all weekend and multiple days during the week. There's really not that much time in my schedule to be playing video games. It's just not aligning with the schedule I have right now. So I think playing video games is kind of a thing to do after I made it, you know? But even then, after I've made it, I'd rather, as the people whom are balling, I should say, do, is drive around in a nice ass car for the entire evening, because why not? And that sounds like a great time, but when you can't pay for gas and you're not balling yet, there's no point. I'd rather work on making money than pretend like I have money and go for a drive, just molest my poor car's engine and spend $50 on gas. Also, I need to work on my psychology, which means I got to spend a little bit more time with myself, kind of meditating and stuff. I need to get back into that. I need to do more Bible study for sure. And I need to keep my room clean. Everything. I need to keep my room clean. I need to keep my PC desktop clean. I need to keep my phone clean of any distractions. My entire room needs a solid cleanup right now. It is a mess. And that is a reflection of my trading these last few weeks. Apart from those which I've won, I should say. I did it. Dang it. And the other thing, I need to surround myself with the right people. I need to either find people whom are already successful or find friends of mine who are willing to do the work to be successful. Because having someone to be kind of your right-hand man and like backing you up, unlocking in, especially getting a second opinion on trade recaps, super helpful. So that's kind of the whole goal of the Discord server anyways, so that kind of fits in. And I will probably only do like a 250 person Discord server to start out with, and then I'll expand it from there. But never will I charge any money to be in the server, because I know how much of a bitch it is to go and look for greater education on trading, and you have to pay $3,000 or $6,000 or $2,000, and that's just not realistic for many people. It's like, oh, what do you have in savings? Well, nothing. Not a thing. So definitely not going to be happening with any Discord server that I will be running. Yeah, I did it again. I get distracted. That's pretty much it for this morning until market opens. I've already marked out most of the stuff I want to mark out. We're looking, I'd say, mostly bullish. The 4 hours I'm saying bearish, but I'm gonna say it's feeling a little bullish today. But did we hit a 530 manipulation? No, we did not. So we'll wait for the 630 manipulation, most likely. Yeah, did it again. To the downside, hopefully, without giving me a drizzy candle again and just taking every position I ever had dreams of out. Not ideal. So we're gonna call this our 1 hour order block. Oops. And block. I need to figure what's leading to the upside. ES has been the last many days. Let's see. I'm actually going to say that NQ is our leading pair for the day. Okay. Well, we have the same 1 hour order block. So long as we have the same breaks of structure in here. Yes. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so we know we're all aligned on ES. We are actually looking like we might make a move down today. It is really hard to tell with these past market conditions. Honestly, if I don't see a move that is likely in the first half hour, we'll just back test. And that was honestly the plan for this week anyways. I already said that in Monday's video. I definitely won't be trading tomorrow. We have CPI and unemployment claims. Friday, I'd be okay trading. It's just existing home sales and revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. It's fine with me. Yeah, I'm going nuts. The only thing for today is that at 6 Trump speaks. That's pretty late, so it shouldn't really have that much of an effect on current price action. JD's in Lettleman. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna just say off the rip. Can I make something out of this? Yeah, fuck it. We can do something with this. If we break over this 1 hour order block. No, continue. I need you to continue down. Continue down, please. Oh my god, man. These 79% extension closure entries, they're fucking killing me. Man, are they goated though? Shit. I wasn't even looking at it. Damn, bro. I might have missed that shit. Now, I should wait for more confluence, but the way we've been moving, man, fuck. Why bother? Yeah, fuck, man, please. We will not be hitting this entry. That is unfortunate. Huh? Alright. Just don't enter me. That's cool. Nah, it's chill. I don't even care for real. Sheesh, I should have been ready for that one. Man, there is no delaying in this. Yo, if I'd arrived a whole 5 seconds earlier, That's chill. Honestly, you know what? It's on me for not being ready. I should have gone to poo well before market opened, but hey, hold up. The age-old strategy. Oh, what did I tell you? We better get a reversal off this, though. That would be like high-key mad embarrassing if I was stressing over this entry and it just didn't do anything. So let's see some upside movement here. Or not, you know, it's chill too. Whatever. Yeah, if we get stopped out here, I am not trading for the rest of the day. I refuse to get, yeah, no. Oh, interesting. Come to think of it, I should have put that stop loss a little lower below this order block, but if we close below this extension closure, this trade's cooked anyways. So got a whole 20 seconds to make a move up. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6. I don't know how I didn't get stopped out there. I'm just gonna put that slightly lower. We've got consolidation, we just need distribution. Oh fuck, I should have put it at the lows. No, bro. Key. I don't even know how I haven't been stopped though. Yeah, I should have been stopped though a long time ago. It'll happen now, but there you go. Yeah. So if this trade does work out, what I should have done is put my stop loss at these lows at the end of the extension movement. Would I have gotten stopped out anyways? Let's see. My account's just taking a hit, man. Either way, I think we've closed below now. So, to me, that says it's invalidated. Anyways, we will move on to back testing for the rest of the day and leave this drizzy candleage behind. This trade might end up having worked out. I think it's hard to say. I could put another limit here, but you know, I'm honestly just gonna hop on back testing for the day. Like, I could just set it super short, like super short. I'm not gonna try and revenge trade, but if we get given an opportunity, I want to keep it as low risk as possible. Though, I mean, it'd be ideal to be trading on ES, I suppose. I'm going to do the smart and responsible thing, and I'm going to not trade. The whole entire idea of December was to de-risk and under trade if anything. I need to only be taking A+ setups. This is a decent setup, and it might end up working if I had put my stop loss at these lows. But usually, especially if we've closed over on the 5 minute, and we're about to, when you close below the 79% extension closure, it's relatively done. But we might see a reversal after that 5 minute closure. To those who hit this trade, good on you. If it works out. Which is looking less and less promising by the minute. Anyways, I'm going to quickly get a little bit more ready for school so I can just trade and trade and trade and trade. Yeah. Get a little more ready. Get on to back testing for the next 45 minutes. I can probably take trade or two. Yeah, call it. We could also be just seeking out this man with the Oz. I gotta stop this Asian session low, which is very possible, but it's looking like we're reaching. It's looking like we're doing the same exact thing that we did on, what was that? I think it was Monday, but it was on ES. Very similar movement. The last, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 days. Like, I might start trading Asian session. Genuinely, I might start trading Asian session. Because what looks more stable? Like, to be completely real, what looks more stable? This or just drizzying? In my opinion, this looks more stable. I mean, I'd rather be trading during market open, but if this is what we're getting given, I'm not really that jazzed, quote unquote jazzed, to be trading it. Like, from the looks of it, we've taken out Asian low and we might make a move back up, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we just keep dumping. So, I kind of realized something, and I'm gonna stick with this even if this trade doesn't play out. I've been trading like an idiot. I've been completely disrespecting my strategy as a whole. And comparing myself to other people's trading days. Horrible, horrible, horrible idea. And yes, December price action has been shit, but I have been not waiting for macro to hit. I've been taking trades during manipulation. I've been not sticking with my daily bias. So I need to definitely take some time to lock my trading mentality back in. Quite honestly, it's pretty fucked up. And I literally just said I wouldn't enter another trade today. I've never had a problem with over trading. I'm not over leveraging, and I'm not managing my risk wrong, but I'm over trading. Especially in this price action. I should be taking one trade a day, and if I fuck up that trade, I fucked up that trade. That's it for the day. I will look for setups, but I won't trade. And that might be my plan for the rest of the month. Because I know that's what's hard for me to do, is to look at a setup and not take the trade. As soon as I see something, I want to trade it. Would this have hit if I put my stop loss a little lower? Probably. It was a good setup, actually. It was a great setup. Man, it is storming outside my house. It's crazy. Anyways. My psychology is just horrible right now. On a personal level, it's great, but in terms of my trading psychology, it's gone down. So I need to seriously start recapping harder. Like I said this morning, that's part of my plan. And I need to be journaling my trades properly. Am I pissed that this trade setup would have hit take profit? But because I was afraid of losing my account size, I set my stop loss too high? Yeah. But if this trade goes to where I would have had my take profit, at least I know I can see a setup and make something of it. I need to start waiting for macro again, because this was a perfect macro trade. I'm not adapting properly to the market conditions that I'm being given at all. So I need to lock this back in. I will still be back testing for the rest of the day. But I saw that setup and I thought to myself, shit, I should take that. It looks great. If I had stepped my stop loss a little lower. And at this point in the trade, I would have moved my stop loss to break even. Let's honestly watch this. Because I'd like to see this trade setup work. Because I know that that's going to fuck with me even more. The more I know that I've been trading like shit, the better I will be able to improve. And at the same time, I need to hop off the 1 minute, man. Looking at these hour time frames, we are looking so bearish. At the same time, that's our manipulation move. So we'll see how this plays out. I'd rather watch this, watch and learn, and this afternoon I'll do the recap. Or not even really recap. This afternoon I will, well, yeah, I should actually, a little recap, and I will do some back testing because I don't work today. I got time on my hands. I can't get home early, unfortunately, because I got to do a bunch of stuff with my mom. But it's chill because I got like 6 hours this afternoon, basically. Well, 5. And the plan for this afternoon is to just lock in fully. Alright, y'all. So, this trading day is fucking cooked. I knew I shouldn't have traded today, and I won't trade for the rest of the week. I'm going to backtest every morning. I'm going to be up at the same time, obviously. And I'll just backtest, hit 2 or 3 trades like it's a normal trading day. And get locked back in. Because trading these conditions at my skill level and the current way my psychology is at right now, not a good idea. So I'm gonna lock back in for this last little bit of this year. We got a whole 14 days before we hit that little new year right now. So wait, yeah, 14 I think. Yeah, so we'll lock it back in for now. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll be doing more work on this video this afternoon. Peace for now.